You know that feeling? You've watched every How to Get Straight A's reel, saved the perfect study playlist, and yet your to-do list is somehow longer than ever. If you don't break the cycle, here's exactly what happens to your grades. And stick around because I've got a bonus hack in the middle of this video for when you're in a true academic emergency. First, you're developing what neuroscientists call motivation addiction. Every time you watch a study motivation reel, your brain gets a tiny dopamine hit from imagining success. The cruel trick? Your brain can't tell the difference between planning to study and actually doing it, so you get rewarded for doing nothing. You scroll, save 17 note-taking techniques, and feel productive while your assignment sits untouched. You've tricked your brain into thinking the work is already done. Second, you're stuck in the inspiration loop of death. You watch a reel of someone acing their exams and feel motivated for exactly 47 seconds. Then you watch another to keep the feeling going. 3 hours later, you've consumed enough study content to get a PhD in watching other people study, but you haven't written a single sentence of your own essay. The irony? You're now too mentally exhausted from scrolling to even start. Your brain has spent all its energy processing videos, making the real task feel impossible. Third, you're killing your ability to do deep work. Your attention span is now shorter than a goldfish's. When you finally sit down, your brain is still in scroll mode, craving a novelty hit every 15 seconds. You read one paragraph and feel the itch to check your phone. This isn't a willpower failure. You've rewired your neural pathways to expect constant stimulation. Your prefrontal cortex, which handles focus, has gone on vacation because you haven't used it in weeks. Bonus hack. Deploy the homework hit squad. Look, sometimes you're so far behind, no productivity hack can save you. The hole is just too deep to climb out of alone. That's when you tag in the pros, me and my team. Reliable, confidential, built to rescue grades. We take over your assignments, essays, coding projects, even full courses, and deliver 90% plus results without the burnout. So you can stop spiraling and start breathing again. Contact links in the description, or hop into the Discord for tools, walkthroughs, and chill support. And 4, you're building a fake knowledge base. You watch a 60-second summary of a complex topic and your brain files it away as learned. You feel informed, but you haven't built any of the neural connections that come from struggling with the material yourself. So when you're in the exam, the real understanding isn't there. If you want a complete system that puts this all together, a way to study smarter, not harder, and actually get your life back, I've put together a free masterclass where I break it all down. The link is in the description. Now go on. Be that person who proves their own brain wrong. I know you can do it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.